In today's video, I'll show you how to disassemble the Mini Mighty KBD. This is also the easiest way if you wanted to swap all the switches. First, we'll flip the keyboard upside down with the USB port towards us, and we'll gently gonna bend away. Gonna push with thumbs. I'm gonna bend away till you'll see the casing start popping out. Gently kind of work several angles. Here we go. And all right, the bottom's out. Here is the PCB on the top with all the keys, all the switches still pressed in. So then we start popping the switches one at a time. The simplest is to just push here like that at the stop of the switch. Just push it out, they pop out. Here we go. Just keep going. I have 74 to go. We'll leave the enter and space key for last, as they are also supported by stabilizers, so they take a little bit more effort. All right, we just have these guys. So notice here, there's the two stabilizers are connected to the space bar. So we want to gently pry them up like this. Up, comes out very easily. Then we pop out the switch. Same for the enter key. First we kind of wiggle it out. There we go, pops out. And then the last switch. And then we can separate the plate from the PCB. You can see the stabilizers here attached. Let's remove them too for completeness. From the back side, they just kind of push here, forward and down. Oop. And then it comes out upwards. Same for the enter stabilizer. These guys push down from here. You can kind of see this slope. So down and in, down and in. So this way. And it comes out. And this is it. Now, if you wanted to also change keycaps, this is a good opportunity to do that while we have all your switches out. What I do, and there's many ways to do it, but this is really seems the simplest. Just wiggle the keycap away and split them up like that. Here we go. Alright, and this is the last one. And here we have our fully disassembled Mighty KBD keycaps, the PCB, the plate, and the case. Alright, in the next video, I'll show you how to fully assemble it again.